Kaseng Kongres ha ka jylla mekhlea kala penem ya ki kamtrei torti ya ka jingtei ya ka shenrong pelun ne kadum ha ka ying dorbar thauan bat thmai kabadon ha mau diang kabadai pejda ka sarkar MDI ha ka jylla balalam khmat da ka NPP bat ka UDP Kaseng Kongres ka bu jingkli mano bat shano kita kisah engineers jong katnat PWD kibadon balaban shet yaki ban monitor ya ka quality of works hakaju kapor kaseng kadon kajing suba bakane baro kawan jana mar bakatai ka company kabana bar jela kayo banle kun khadu na kita ki babat ya ulakam jong ka platengka has secretariat meklia legislative assembly hakabale se wat ki engineeru kimnut shu ban saham lane ban ang watang shikinteru hakmat jong katai ka company bar jela walaki don makana ka mensim ban trehok ya kakam Teina kata kadau baka Rajkiya Nirman Nigam LTD kayo ban yurut lek kat bamon namar bakam day ka jylla lajong uba PNS imbat ka dibora marak kilapen sngow balada kita kin rop hungut kin nong mikmat kaba upai ba ulapen kubor yaki ban lek thawan ham meklia legislative assembly kinut ban bu jingma wat ya kata ka ying dorbar thawan tang namar ka tengkapya shano kan yalam ya kalawai jong ka jylla hi barok kawe Kaseng Kongres ka dawana ka sarkar jylla padai ban ai dak sniu blacklist no shisndon ya ka Rajkiya Nirman Nigam LTD bat pensange ya kadai ka company pensngo uba PNSIM.
The CBI will be entitled to the state only after the state government give their permission or to inquire on any issue related to scam and corruption. So the big problem, if the government is not interested to allow CBI, then we cannot do anything. The only thing, when people on 23, they allow us, then we will ask the CBI to inquire into all these corrupted scam projects. Building. He himself is the candidate of MP from North Shillong. Then I have nothing to say. But the point is very clear. The ex-engineer, he is very much in the side during the process of construction. So why should he ask this question right from the day one, before we constructed, before the dome is start to be constructed? Why should he put some question mark to the IIT Roorkee, the best IIT in India? Why should he put some question mark on the BRC that their subcontract? The UP-based company, RNN Limited. Why should he reply or he clarify after the dome has been collapsed? He should ask this question before the dome is started to be constructed. So it is very wrong to say that because he cannot carry the load of that dome. As the engineer, he should consult with the minister concerned. He should consult with the company. He should consult with the IIT Roorkee. What is only excuse? Allotted at 127 crore. We understand that it has been revised. The first revision is 181 crore from 127 crore. The best company participated during the process has been denied. But the amount has gone up to 181 crores. The second revision, more than 200 crores. I see from the clarification from the building department that 170 crore has been released out of 214 crore. We fail to understand that such a huge amount, but still we have a very poor quality of construction. So this is the very sad news for we as the state as a whole. We are also confused because the engineer now has been to be considered as the candidate of MP from North Shillong. So many big question mark, right from the day one till yesterday when the dome is collapsed. So we from the Congress Party, we believe only in the inquiry. The state government, along with the central agency, should come up with a very inquiry so that everything should be exposed. Let the people know whether it is right, whether it is wrong. We fail to understand that. I feel very sad for the Speaker of the Lok Sabha coming here to Shillong to visit and consider 100 crore for them. But the 100 crore that has been considered by the Lok Sabha Speaker, it seems that it is only a wastage of money. So we, the Congress Party, we want to see that the state government should constitute an inquiry. It will be good if the central agency will come to inquire on all the dispute amount, so that anyone who is involved in this very particular project should be punished. And the member of the Legislative Assembly attending the session, we lost how many lives? It's not only a corruption, it is an issue of risk to life of the people. So that's why we, Congress Party, we are not speaking politics on this issue. We want to speak the truth that the people should know. It is not only the first incident. Just recently we have seen that ISTBT at Mauyong, the poor quality of construction. The bridge collapsed one after another. It will be a very big problem for the state as a whole in future. One issue after another issue, the executive has failed to fulfill the expectation of the people. The High Court, it has to come in front to ask the question of bridge, to ask the question of cleanliness, the quality of the building. So many issues, it seems that the executive have lost the track. Judiciary has come forward. So we as the Congress Party, we feel that inquiry should be constituted. It will be more advisable if the central agency come and inquire on all these issues. So there are a few things that we want to brief you during this time.